Today we're taking a look to the PL92T Elizabeth machine. The PL92T is the first dual boiler machine of LELIT VIP line. Two separate boilers, one for steaming and one for brewing, which allow to a more stability temperature and enable to dispense steam and coffee at the same time. Thanks to the LCC display, we can manage the programming parameters. By pressing the minus button, we can scroll all the available parameters. The first one is the coffee boiler temperature. The second is the steam boiler temperature. This one is the programmable brewing time for button 1 and for button 2. So you can set the time, and when the coffee dispensing starts, it will automatically stop once the programming time has been reached. Then let's see the pre-infusion time for button 1 and for button 2. You can disable or enable the steam boiler to reduce the energy consumption. You can select the temperature unit measure in Celsius or Fahrenheit. And the last one, you can read the partial and the total doses counter. In the PL92T, the most relevant feature is the innovative pre-infusion system. Let's see how it works in detail on the hydraulic circuit. We have the water tank, the pump, group solenoid valve, coffee boiler, steam boiler, two-way solenoid valve, hot water solenoid valve. So, when we press a coffee button, 1 or 2, the two-way solenoid valve and the group solenoid valve will open for the pre-infusion time programmed. The two-way solenoid valve is connected to the steam boiler, and when it opens, allows the passage of the water from the steam boiler in the coffee boiler, and we have a mixing of water, and we can wet gently the puck with a low pressure. Once the pre-infusion time is over, the pump will be activated and will start the coffee brewing in the cup at full pressure. Now let's prepare a double shot with 35 seconds brewing time for button 2. Okay, we set 35 seconds. And 8-second pre-infusion time. Okay, we go to prepare the shot. Button 2. So we see now that for 8 seconds we have the pre-infusion phase at 3 bar low pressure. At the end of the pre-infusion time, starts the dispensing coffee for 35 seconds. When we reach 35 seconds, automatically the dispensing will stop. Let's see now how the hot water delivery works. We see in detail in the hydraulic circuit. So when we press the hot water button, the pump starts, and the two-way solenoid valve and the hot water solenoid valve will open. During the process, we can mix in the coffee boiler cold water that coming from the pump with the hot water that coming from the steam boiler, and this allows to deliver the hot water in the cup at the maximum temperature of 95 and 98 degrees to avoid splashes during the hot water delivery. Let's see now the hot water delivery. We press the hot water button. Okay. We can see that the water flow is without splashes. Thank you for watching.